Beloved South Africans, Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa is not the president of South Africa, and his regime is not the legitimate government. Ramaphosa is the head of Big Five crime cartels, namely the Presidential Cartel, Mesh Kings Cartel, the Legendaries Cartel, Chief Cartel, and Money Talks team. These teams consist of police brigadiers, ministers, politicians, and influential business people. ANC is a terror organization which has taken possession and captured South Africa and its government. The term crime cartel is used to describe groups within South African government implicated in a wide range of criminal activities, include gold smuggling, illegal mining, illicit goods trade, tender corruption, ghost employee schemes, human and drug trafficking. Rather than a hierarchical organization, the Big Five crime cartels in South Africa function as a loose network of cells within political parties and business elite cycles, spanning from the lowest to the highest ranks. They operate as a sophisticated criminal networks, controlling government resources, municipalities, black market activities like drug, arms, and human trafficking, through violence, corruption, and complex money laundering, often forming alliances for market dominance, setting prices, and leveraging global trade routes to evade law enforcement and creating immense profits. They function like shadowy corporations, using bribery and intimidation to secure protection and disrupt legitimate markets while engaging in tough wars to control territory and supply chains. This is the reality we are living in South Africa. Political parties are useless, unnecessary, and ineffective in modern South Africa. They prioritize power over public interest. They are in a business of pursuing power and control of government and national resources rather than addressing the objectives and social challenges and realities of our people. They operate like cults, encouraging blind loyalty which hinders constructive dialogue and problem solving. They foster corruption and social interest. Issues like Party Funding Act loopholes allow wealthy crime cartel bosses and members to buy influence and positions, giving disproportionate power to those crime cartel bosses rather than general public. Lack of accountability, the system makes it difficult to hold individuals, politicians particularly, accountable, as they can hide behind slogans, chanting, and party lines while blaming the opposition for their failures. All political parties in South Africa share a few distinctive features and policy similarities. They might emphasize different aspects of it based on their manifestos, but they are essentially variants offering one of the same, and they are broken branches from either ANC or DA. No one outside politics has ever been allowed to create his own party and contest elections in South Africa. For this reason, with the authority vested in me by God Almighty Jehovah, I disband all political parties and their operations because they are in government but don't represent us, the people of South Africa. According to the 1955 Freedom Charter, which outlines the vision for democracy and non-racial nation, South Africa belongs to the South African people only. black, whites, Indians, coloreds, and the government must be based on the will of the people, not political parties, their donors, and crime cartels. All South Africans are entitled to take part in the administration of the country. I, Mandisa Mthembu, as a sovereign independent candidate, I rise to be president of South Africa. I answer only to God and the people of South Africa. I don't need permission from crime cartel boss Cyril Ramaphosa and his rogue terrorist organization ANC. They don't own South Africa. Our people have been robbed their votes by political parties because positions are bought by crime cartels. They don't represent us, our views, our opinions. What we need is a democracy fit for 21st century, where every voice is heard, social challenge addressed, and every vote valued, and every South African citizen is empowered to take part in rebuilding, protecting, and preserving our country. Let the corrupt regime of crime cartels and political parties fall. Let the people of South Africa govern themselves through civil society groups, professional academic groups. No political party owns South Africa. I say again, no political party owns South Africa. The people shall govern themselves. I thank you.